Dylan, are you excited about dance recital tonight?
Why does it sound so rehearsed?
Are you excited about your dance recital?
Sure.
Yes, we got these
Oh,
tickets
dear
to
Lord.
Winter
I'm
Review
leaving.
2020. Right, Parker, you excited?
No.
You're not? I am. You know why? Because I'm a dance dad tonight. Winter Review, show number 3, 6 p.m., Noblesville High School, tonight. Saturday, January 18th, 6 p.m.
You infuriate me.
Dylan will be dancing for us all. Are you ready for this, Parker? Well, you know what? I got to eat my lunch right here. So that way I can be ready for the recital later, right?
Yeah, I'll record.
No, it's recording right now. It's 360. People can go around and look at you. They can look at me. They can watch Dylan walking away if they want.
But they can't see you eating.
Yes, I'm not going to eat. I'm just going to open my food so that way if you want to, you can pan down and see what I'm eating. See, I'm just putting